you today? Welcome back to my channel, Adventures in America. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jocelyn and I'm a dual citizen of the United States and the Philippines. Before we get started, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I always welcome new subscribers. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, has finally issued a recommendation or guidelines for those who are fully vaccinated. The new CDC guideline has been issued effective March 8, 2021. This new guidelines is based on the latest science. So let's go ahead and examine the guidelines or the recommendations set by the CDC, and let's see what kind of activities a fully vaccinated person can do. First, we have to define a fully vaccinated person. A person is considered fully vaccinated 2 weeks after receiving the last required dose of vaccine. Although vaccinations are accelerating, CDC estimates that just 9.2% of the U.S. population has been fully vaccinated with a COVID-19 vaccine that the FDA has authorized for emergency use. So welcome news for those who are already vaccinated. The new guidance, which is based on the latest science, includes recommendations for how and when a fully vaccinated individual can visit with other people who are fully vaccinated and with other people who are not vaccinated. This guidance represents a first step toward returning to everyday activities in our communities. CDC will update these recommendations as more people are vaccinated, rates of COVID-19 in the community change, and additional scientific evidence becomes available. We know that people want to get vaccinated so they can get back to doing the things they enjoy with the people they love, said CDC Director Rochelle P. Walensky. And there are some activities that fully vaccinated people can begin to resume now in their own homes. Everyone, even those who are vaccinated, should continue with all mitigation strategies when in public settings. As the science evolves and more people get vaccinated, we will continue to provide more guidance to help fully vaccinated people safely resume more activities. There are 3 activities that a fully vaccinated person can do now. Number 1, visit with other fully vaccinated people indoors without wearing masks or staying 6 feet apart. So there are requirements. You can be indoors, but the people that you are around with must also be fully vaccinated, so you don't have to wear a mask or stay 6 feet apart. Visit with unvaccinated people from one other household indoors without wearing masks or staying 6 feet apart if everyone in the other household is at low risk for severe disease. Means that if you are fully vaccinated, you can stay with other people who are not vaccinated as long as they are in low risk category. The third activity, refrain from quarantine and testing if they do not have symptoms of COVID-19 after contact with someone who has COVID-19. Also, if you don't have symptoms, you don't need to test or quarantine. While the new guidance is a positive step, the vast majority of people need to be fully vaccinated before COVID-19 precautions can be lifted broadly. Until then, it is important that everyone continues to adhere to public health mitigation measures to protect the large number of people who remain unvaccinated. However, there are precautionary measures for vaccinated people when they are in public. CDC recommends that fully vaccinated people continue to take these COVID-19 precautions when in public, when visiting with unvaccinated people from multiple other households, and when around unvaccinated people who are at high risk of getting severely ill from COVID-19. There are still health protocols regarding going out in the public or being around unvaccinated people or those who are at high risk category. Number 1, you still have to wear a mask. Number 2, stay 6 feet away from people who do you not live with. Number 3, avoid medium and large-sized in-person gatherings. Number 4, get tested if experiencing COVID-19 symptoms. Number 5, follow guidelines issued by individual employers. Number 6, follow CDC and Health Department travel requirements and recommendations. If you have any other questions or comments, please post them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I hope everyone is staying safe and I will see you in my next video.